Hello everyone, welcome to my art and cooking channel. Today I have my March Azure Standard haul. I kind of take a couple months off in the hard winters here in Michigan. Here we got some chicken supplies here, some pellets, some food and such like. Just kind of showing you our drop quickly there. But the truck comes, you get the stuff, you help everybody get their stuff and you load it up. So I will meet you back at my house and I will go through all of these things. So I got 3 larger heavy bags, so I didn't want to lift those all around. But anyway, first up here is for our cats, this Lick Your Chops brand. They really like this. There's all good stuff in it. And here's the little can, for example, is the lamb and brown rice dinner. And you can get, of course, different kinds, but they really like this one. And we use it as a treat, not as a regular food thing, because obviously it can be kind of expensive. But so we got a case of 24, I believe, with those, and got a great deal there at Azure. And what else have we got there? So my hard white wheat berries, I got a 25-pound bag of those. We got our chicken pellets. And then here's the smaller stuff here that I'll go through here. Sorry about my table. Here's the little flyer you can get with it, the April one. It goes through their products, some articles, and deals. We're trying out this lip balm here by this Bubble and Bee. See how we like that, and raspberry vanilla. And I think my daughter's going to try that one out, or at least she already put it on her lips, so it's hers now. We like these Ben soaps brand, and we got 3 unscented and then 3 of the eucalyptus spearmint, and it smells great. Oh no, I'm going to do this one first. Okay, so the unscented, I love goat milk lotion, and this, again, Ben soap lotion is great. This is a new product we're trying out for our kids. It's like also good for acne or pimply sort of situations. And my daughter already tried it and said that she really liked how it felt. There are the directions there, and so far she at least likes using it. So we'll see if that's something that we get there. And it's from Adrian, Michigan, which is not too far from us, about 40 minutes. Love their mustard, and it's super cheap for organic mustard. It's very tasty. Got some more real salt. Needed a second one there, so I got that. Got the golden raisins that I love to get. You can use these in baked goods and cereals, and like if you're making oatmeal or quinoa flake meal, breakfast stuff. Or sometimes my kids, to be honest, just eat them right out of the bag. Got some organic cane sugar. I use a variety of sugars when I bake, but it's nice to have some regular, what I would call regular, as close to the regular as you might get, I guess. This sugar is also really great, this panela, and it is very tasty, and I use this a lot. I just finished my bag that I get from healthytraditions.com, and so I grabbed a little bag from Azure to hold me over for the big bags that we get there. And I got some white rice in the back there, I think I see. And also a group of 3 of these cores and puffs. They're kind of, think of them like Rice Krispies for, but they're not, I don't think they're sweetened. But you can put berries and things, like those big bags of like freeze-dried strawberries you can get from Sam's. And we love this enchilada sauce. It's so tasty. It is really good. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, but so I don't use it a ton, but it is very, very tasty. So I grab one whenever I can to keep my little stock flowing. But anyway, there's my little haul, as well as the big bags that you saw of the wheat berries and the 2 chicken feed products. There's my kitty cat, one of them. She is looking to see if she got her Lick Your Chops cans. But anyways, I hope you all have a great day. Please check back, hit like, share, and subscribe. Do all the things. Check out the links. Thank you so much.